simple tasks are equivalent to simple money. Do you believe in that type of logic? Is there one method out there that we can do easily and still earn a lot of money? Well, today is your lucky day. In today's video, I will show you a simple method wherein you are assigned to do simple tasks but get paid a huge amount of money. Who wouldn't want that, right? But that's not the best part about this strategy. In this strategy, you won't need to dive into affiliate marketing or a huge social media following, or even any skills or experience to do it. This is a simple strategy but will be of great help to all of you out there looking for an income. So if you are ready and excited, follow along the step-by-step process that I will show you today in this video, and do not skip any important parts. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. With that said, I would like to welcome everyone to Smart Money Girl. In this channel, I love teaching people how to build a business and make money online the smart way. And if you don't want to miss out on more videos, then make sure you click that subscribe button down below and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said, guys, let's jump straight into the video. Hey guys! For today's video, the way of earning money on this website is through utilizing your own opinion and of course your time and effort. That's right, your own personal opinion about certain things can easily earn you a lot of money. Amazing! It says right here that if you can spend time in front of your PC and execute small time-bound and highly playful tasks, then you are at the right place. We recruit and hire flexible people who thrive on change and challenge, who are innovative and self-confident, and who seek immediate responsibility. We will pay you for your time. If you are free to join, yes, we also are free. That's not only that. I would like to inform everyone watching this video right now that this website that I am about to show you is available worldwide. That's right. Even if you are anywhere around the world, you can easily do this strategy and still get paid. But I know what you're thinking. How can I assure that this is a reliable website? Well, let me prove it to you. If we scroll down a little bit, we have here some statements of 3 different people from around the world who stated their experiences with this specific website. Not only that, there are a ton of benefits that they offer. As I said, you can work from anywhere, any place, anytime around the world, and you can earn as much money as you want without ever investing anything. Amazing, right? This is one of the websites where you don't need to pay anything just to work immediately. But how do you earn exactly? It is said right here that you first select a job, fill out an application form, complete certain tasks, and immediately receive payment. Just like that. If we scroll back up, we have a lot of different tasks here to earn money around here. We have here market, typing jobs, proofreading, translation, advertising, and even online teaching. You can choose whatever you prefer from all of this. With that said, the name of this website is called cjinc.info. You can actually choose any of these simple tasks, but for today, we will focus on proofreading. For those who don't know, proofreading is basically carefully checking the errors present in a certain text before eventually being published or shared. This is considered the very last stage of the writing process. So proofreading also has some standards, as this requires you to have basic knowledge of the English language. But don't worry, later I am going to show you a simple tool that will correct any errors automatically and which is absolutely free. So stick with me. Later in this video, we will copy a sample article online and purposely make certain grammatical errors so that we can confirm the paraphrasing tool that I will show you later really works. So do not skip any parts of this video as you might miss any critical parts to this process. But as I said, You can do any of these jobs, but for this video, we will focus on proofreading as your main source of income. If you liked what you are viewing and learning in this video, please smash the like button and comment down below what country you are watching this video from. This will help maintain my strategies be effective worldwide. I'm really excited to see them. Now, back on the video. So the first step in achieving and becoming a proofreader is to sign up on this website. So go on over to the top right area of the website and pick proofreading job right here. You will then be redirected to this page right here where they will show you what this job is all about. So as I mentioned earlier, we are tasked to double check certain articles and then make correction all throughout to ensure that there are no mistakes within it grammatically speaking. Just below, you will find the nature of the job and also the different rates of a proofreader. We can see here that you can earn up to $5 to $10 per page or per 1,000 words, which depends on the work nature and accuracy level. But don't worry, I will help you achieve this with a simple tool I am gonna show you. Then, just scroll down a little bit and click on Apply for Jobs, and you will be redirected to this page. You will now have to download the application form by clicking on this one right here, which will bring you this page. Then, input in your necessary personal information, then select the job of proofreading and fill them all out. Just as easy as that. You can see right here that they have PayPal as a payment method. Then, tick this box right here that indicates that you agree to the terms. Add in your signature and click on Submit right here. When you're done, if you go back to the previous page, they will now give you a sample of one article that has multiple errors, so they can see what your skills are in proofreading. And here is where the secret tool I have been telling you comes into play. This tool I will be sharing with you today is something that I have been also using for quite some time now, which is Grammarly. This tool is 100% free and guaranteed to be available worldwide. This is one of the best known tools out there that can help you correct any grammatical errors in any of your needs with it. So we are just going to add it as an extension to Chrome. So go on to Grammarly.com and click on this button that says Add Chrome, and you will be brought right here. Then just click this button and done. Just sign up for free and then you can already utilize Grammarly in any platform you need it for. Here we have Google Docs and an article I prepared that has a ton of grammatical errors. And we will now see how Grammarly will help us a lot. They actually detected a lot of mistakes and minimal errors like punctuation marks, capitalization of letters, and a lot more. They actually show you an overall score of all the text you need to paraphrase. This just shows you how Grammarly helps us out a lot with our projects. That's just not it. It will automatically correct any mistakes in here. So whenever CJ Inc. sends you any article with a ton of errors for proofreading, you will just open it on Google Docs and correct it easily using Grammarly and submit it immediately, and you will already earn easy money with it. And now we've reached the end of today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up below, as it helps the channel grow a lot. And if you want to keep up to date with all my next uploads, then make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell down below so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I'll see you all soon in my next Smart Ways to Make Money Online. Bye!